My name is Larry Branch. I'm the Environmental Director for Fitzgerald Auto Malls. I've been with the company since 1989. As the Environmental Director at Fitzgerald Auto Malls, I oversee all the things that have an environmental impact on the community that surrounds all of our dealerships. At Fitzgerald Subaru, we're very passionate about recycling anything that can be recycled. Last year in 2022, we recycled 87% of everything that went in the waste stream. So the kind of things that go in the waste stream are what you would think of an automotive dealership: tires, oil, filters, batteries, antifreeze, paper, cardboard. We have even started recycling the batteries that are in the remotes for your car. In the Subaru Terra Recycle program, we send these products, K-cups, coffee lids, snack wrappers, back to TerraCycle so that they can turn those into products we can use in our local communities. And one thing I can say is Mr. Fitzgerald is very passionate about the environment and how we can do things that will help our community and our kids and our kids' kids. And recycling is not easy, it's hard. But when you start doing it and you make it a part of your culture and you do it for decades, it becomes normal lifestyle. And over all these years, he has rubbed off on not only myself, but the employees. And now we have people in our company that are so passionate about the environmental that they on their own time will join organizations and go out in streams and remove tires and trash and other things. And that can only be because of the culture that he's created in this company. Fitzgerald Subaru believes in helping others thrive.